Today at Castlemore, we're really excited because we're hosting an elementary sports festival where we welcome in 8 different schools from around the area, and it has a bunch of different students of all ability needs with intellectual disabilities being able to come and play a variety of different sports.
We have Special Olympics Ontario. They're a group that organizes activities for students or children with special needs. They were gracious enough to come host an event here, and they've set up different sports that the students can participate in.
Today we have 6 different sports stations. So we have floor curling, basketball, bocce, soccer, floor hockey, and bowling. And all of those sports are basically ones that we host in our communities for either secondary school community athletes that compete in Special Olympics, as well as mainstream community athletes.
My grade 7 students are involved in this as they're the volunteers helping to run the events and to help support all the different schools that are here today. Seeing the enthusiasm from my students cheering on all the schools and really just helping out the students and the teachers is amazing to see.
At first, I was so excited and surprised that we have this opportunity to help them and encourage them. I just feel happy helping them do something that they've probably never done before.
I think it's really a big step for the community classes. They can try out new things. They don't have to always be sidelined, and they can try new sports, and we're supporting them and encouraging them to keep on going, giving them tips, for example, more power, lighter, so it's very fun.
My favorite part has been this basketball because it's fun. You can practice so you can become more active.
I like bowling.
Did you like curling?
I like running.
Did you like taking the taxi?
Yep. That's with my friends.
This was amazing because everybody in there is in the same boat. Everybody has the same needs. Everybody's accepting. It's inclusive. It's just a nice feel to feel like there isn't anything that they can't do.
Thank you.